Hey techies, in this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to take any 16 by 9 landscape video and turn it into a perfect 9 by 16 vertical format for shorts, reels, or TikTok, all using Filmora 14. Start by opening your project in Filmora and loading the landscape video you want to convert into vertical. Next, navigate to the top menu, click the project settings icon, and verify that the aspect ratio is set correctly. If not, adjust it to 9 by 16 portrait, which is the ideal setting for vertical videos. Next, right-click on the video in the timeline and select Crop to Fit. This will display the video in a vertical format. From here, you can further adjust it by panning and zooming the clip. Your video might appear cropped or zoomed in at this point. Just click it in the timeline, then change the position in the preview window. Use the scale slider to zoom in or out until everything's framed perfectly. Now you can add text, effects, or even a blurred background to fill any space for a polished, professional look. When you're happy with your conversion and edit, click Export, set the resolution to 1080 by 1920 and save it, ready for posting in the highest quality possible. And that's it, your landscape clip is now a polished vertical video in minutes. I've left a free download link for Filmora in the description, so grab it and start creating your own. Before you go, check out the video in the top right corner for the top 7 best free VPNs that actually work. Thanks for watching. See you in the following tutorial.